My name's Jesse.
I'm Lox.
And we are chasing pavement. This is our school bus build. We have it built for two, as well as two pets. We have a cat and a dog. It's a 38-foot international bus. Come on in, let's take a look. I just recently started to redo this staircase here. I still have some staining and some trim to do, but for the most part, it's finished. We have a desk area here, so we have a big table to work on with a big monitor right there, as well as the dinette. This all folds out into a bed. It's like 8 foot long almost, so it's a decent sized bed. We went with mostly electric appliances here with like the fridge and the oven, and we've got the induction cooktop. We've got propane as well, but we kind of like having the versatility of multiple different methods there. Big residential side sink. All of these cabinets and counters are obviously all prefabbed residential ones. It's really the only prefabbed thing I did in here. I pretty much built everything else. Little pantry area here, still needs some work on door faces and whatnot.
It's a different kind of latching system.
Yeah, they're just baby locks. Yeah, I used baby locks on like the fridge and the counters, and these are also
that's always one of the big
well.
questions. How do you keep them from flying open?
Yeah, these rattle around a little bit. I want to get latches, but they don't open. The baby locks work so nothing flies out, so that works. They're just a little noisy. Yeah. Moving back towards the back here a little bit. I went with the regular RV style toilet with a pedestal sink in there rather than the composting toilet. And then just put a residential shower pan in here, white, what's this called? Plastic, or that plastic wall, whatever they call it. I don't know what it's called. A lot of my corners and everything were very, very uneven, so I decided to just put a little layer of plaster on it. Still not sure if it's a good idea. It's really hard to keep clean, but it looks a lot better with like the clean corners versus what it looked like before.
Sure. And then a barn style door is nice.
Yeah. We have propane heat, one of those vented RV units there. And it's a rear engine, so over the engine bay is a closet there. That closet's about 4 feet deep. So it's a really big closet. I've got the electrical set up on the left and then like clothing in the back. Then this bed's raised up a good 3.5, 4 feet. I've got water tanks and a bunch more storage down there. And a little closet right here as well on this side. And on these Internationals too, the rear two seats are built into the engine bay. So I've got two big cubbies right there as well. So all the storage is mostly back here.
All right. Very nice. Nice bus.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Well, I hope you enjoyed that video of that great schoolie. And in the coming weeks, there'll be more. So please, I will see you next Saturday for a tour of another schoolie. Steampunk Steve saying, see you on the road.